BunnyCDN is a content delivery network that optimizes the delivery of website content by caching files across a global network of edge servers. Here's how to use BunnyCDN for your website. Sign up and create an account. Go to BunnyCDN and sign up for a new account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access the dashboard to set up and manage your CDN. Create a pull zone. In the BunnyCDN dashboard, navigate to Zones and click Create Pull Zone. A pull zone caches your website's content automatically from your server. Provide your website URL and BunnyCDN will automatically pull content like images, CSS, JavaScript, and HTML from your server. Configure DNS. After creating the pull zone, you will get a CNAME. Update your website's DNS settings by adding the CNAME to your domain's DNS records. This ensures that your content is delivered through BunnyCDN. Enable additional features. Caching. Customize caching rules for specific content. Security. Enable SSL, access control, and token-based authentication if needed. Monitor performance. Use BunnyCDN's dashboard to monitor your site speed, bandwidth usage, and cache status to ensure optimal performance.